Also, I'm going without my phone today because I've been on my freaking phone all day, every day for a while now. I get up at like 4 and I'm editing videos and I'm on Zoom calls with business partners, and I got like overload, so I'm gonna use this time to just clear my head and be one with nature and the earth.
Optimal weight while lifting in all of the 3 events the maximal amount of weight that I can. To be at the lowest healthy body weight and the highest possible strength is a valid definition of power, vigor, and health. And it's precisely what in powerlifting will get you acclaim, so to speak. So the ideal of powerlifting in a limited sense accords with the ideal that I envision in terms of my Amen protocol. To be as strong as I can possibly be is not absolute strength. So of course I could be as big as I possibly could get and lift the maximal amount of weight that I could lift, but I would be damaging my health. So to be any extra weight that you have that composes your body frame is going to undermine your health. There is an optimal weight for every individual, and to exceed that is definitely going to put you at risk in terms of your longevity.
Spiritual gang, what it do? Hey, your boy's got his own freaking business cards. Whitfit Athletics, creating positivity one day at a time. Kevin Watley, health and wealth consultant. Shop whitfitathletics.com, whitfitathletics@gmail.com. The backside is, oh my God, I am so stoked. I'm freaking...
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right.
Shut up,
onto
Siri.
Sydney Avenue.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh man. Hey, the freaking next galaxy is the limit. Not even the infinite is the freaking limit. There's no limits. We can do anything. Anything. It's all up here. Just had my last meal. I'm headed to California in the morning. I'm gonna hit this squat workout real quick, just one max set, and yeah, this is what you guys don't see. Gave me a couple downloads. I don't know the fuck where the fuck I found those. Looking for my queen, so she looking for me. Just kidding, she looking for my jeans. She's washing them, washer machine. How we fucking doing? How we fucking be? KY number 7 lives in heaven. What's the plan? I'm the man. He dope, his Sam. Wow, pow, wow.
Mile, turn right onto West Loxie Evans Boulevard.
Turn right onto West Loxie Boulevard. Yeah, this beat go hard. Yeah, cuff, cruiser. Oh, fuck, I fucked up. Just keep it going. What the fuck I'm zoning? What the fuck I'm boning? Just kidding, no I'm not. Seating retention. I meant semen retention. Venus in ascension. Yeah, KY, going through ascension. Enlightenment. Buddha, Buddha, Buddha. Who the fuck you think you fucking with your arms? Say who you do? When am I get boo? How is it living? I'ma hick it ever do.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Oyster Bay Avenue South.
El Caballo, that's my fucking name. If you don't know what that means, look at my frame. I'm ripped, I'm shredded, I'm fucking cut up. Yeah, I eat vegetables and I don't give a fuck. What the fuck you doing? Where's your fucking head? Put some fucking bread on the motherfucking table. El Caballo just in the fucking stable. Turn my beat up a little more. Turn my vocals up a little more. Let me roast a s'more. Where's my main man core? The ladies all adore. Eagles gon' soar.